shit, Kyle?
I stubbed my toe really bad.
Right now?
Yeah.
Stinks.
Where's Kyle? He's coming? Water's a little cold, but it's kind of nice at the same time. Yes. Put one hand in the water, and then yeah.
Where's Kyle?
He's coming, I think.
Can we see a camera?
We're gonna have to do this again?
No, we can walk up. Come on, Kyle. Dude, we just did it. You got it. Oh. Sorry, bud.
I
hate this shit.
You don't like this?
It's fucking stupid, bro.
Sorry,
This
bud.
is my least favorite thing we've done. Fuck this.
Well, why are you crawling through it like that? I had my feet in the water.
Fuck that. It's cold as shit.
It's a little chilly. Yeah, Kyle fell in a little. I feel like that part made a Don mad too. We made it! Where?
Scary.
I see him.
First, I'll just record it in my face.